Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to resolve the Shopify pending payment error. If you're currently experiencing this issue, don't worry, I've got you covered. Before we dive in, let me remind you about Shopify's incredible offer. You can try Shopify for just $1. This deal is perfect for starting your online store and taking your business to the next level. The link to this amazing offer is in the description below, so make sure to check it out and get started today. Now, let's talk about the pending payment error. This issue can occur for a couple of reasons. It may be caused by a problem on Shopify's end, such as server issues, or it could be something on your side, like incorrect payment settings or restrictions from your bank. Although the process to resolve it is relatively simple, it does require a bit of troubleshooting. So, let's go step by step. The first thing you should do is review your orders to ensure they've been processed correctly. Check to see if the payments have gone through successfully. Sometimes this error could be linked to potential fraudulent activity, so it's crucial to verify that everything is in order. Head over to your Shopify account settings and double-check your payout options. Make sure the Shopify payments account you've linked is fully verified. This is essential for avoiding payment-related issues. If your Shopify settings look fine, it's a good idea to contact your bank. Confirm that there are no restrictions on transactions, particularly those involving external sources like Shopify. Some banks might block payments for security reasons, so clearing this up with your bank could resolve the issue. If none of these steps work, it's time to get in touch with Shopify's support team. Here's how you can do that. Go to the Help Center section on Shopify's website. Report your issue and describe the problem in detail. A good starting point would be to write something like, "My payment or an order is pending." This will generate a list of helpful resources specific to pending payment issues. If the suggested resources don't resolve your problem, proceed by selecting the option to get further assistance. Choose your store, and you'll be connected with a Shopify support advisor. Explain your situation clearly and they'll guide you through the next steps to fix the issue. After speaking with Shopify's support team, the issue should be resolved. Remember, their advisors are there to help you every step of the way. And before you go, don't miss out on the chance to try Shopify for just $1. This limited time offer is the perfect opportunity to set up your store and start selling online. Click the link in the description to take advantage of this deal today.